Here are my bouquets for this Sunday, I think it's July the 12th, 2026. Remember, in the comments below, let me know what you think. These bouquets are $10. I grow everything in my garden. So I have Lysianthus, I have dahlias, snapdragon, sunflowers, roses, lemon verbena. I have Orlea. All right, so that's bouquet number 1. Let me know which flowers you would use, which ones you would take out, how I need to. Remember, you guys are helping me with my little flower arranging, and here's the second bouquet. So I have the Lysianthus, yellow roses, pink snapdragon. Everyone loves dahlias, so I tried to put a few dahlias in here just to bridge the little colors. This dahlia was turned around, so let me just put it here. Yeah, is that better? In the comments, let me know what you think. So that's bouquet number 2. All right, and here is bouquet number 3. Now, this dahlia is called Sweet Natalie. I have Lysianthus, I have Orlea, I have yarrow. I tried to use the yarrow to bridge in this pink rose. So this is bouquet number 3. Now, and then I have some celosia back here. I think that snapdragon might be a little bit too harsh for this bouquet. I think I need to switch it out with the pink one. I have a pink snapdragon. So let me take this one out. If I can gently take it out. I think it's a shake, 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 shake. I think it's a little bit too harsh for this arrangement. I have a pink one. Let me put the, do you think that's better? The pink one? All right, and then I will put this one, which has more jewel tones. See, that one's better in that arrangement. It has more jewel tones. Look, and this had a more softer palette down here. But you can't see. I need to take off the guard petals on this rose. So I have a little bit of work to do and make that more forward facing. All right. I could play with these flowers forever, but I'm gonna put them up here on my stand. I'm going to walk away for a moment and then I'll come back and I'll play with them some more. Martha, growing my little flower farm, one bouquet at a time. Please subscribe, follow me on this journey, and we'll be on this journey together. Help me out, tell me what I can do better with my arrangements. One thing I noticed while I'm talking is that my lemon verbena is covering the face of that dahlia, and she wants to be seen. That's better. All right, bye. Okay, it is Sunday, I think it's the 12th, 2026. I put out 3 bouquets. Here are the 2 that are left. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. So let me take them down. So take a better look. They're $10. Tell me what you think. All of these are from my garden, but no one picked them up. That's okay, little flowers. Okay, here is the next bouquet from my garden. So today, that means we sold one bouquet. Yeah. Now, tell me, look at these bouquets. Tell me, what do you think? You know, I'm working on my flower arranging with that course from Floret. What do you think I need to do better the next time? Let me know in the comments below. And just like I say in my classroom, every voice matters. So your voice matters, okay? You don't have to be an expert, a florist or anything. Just tell me what you think. Bye. Happy Sunday.